Transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling. Subtitle: International Code of Signals Annex 4. Introduction to ICS. What is the International Code of Signals? It is a system for a maritime communication. It uses flags to represent letters, numerals, and special symbols. Purpose of visual signaling. Why use visual signaling? To transmit urgent and important messages, to ensure clear communication between vessels. Transmitting information. Steps to transmit a message. First, flag hoisting. Sender hoists the flag for the desired letter. 2. Signal recognition. Receiver observes the flag. 3. Signal interpretation. Receiver consults the ICS codebook for the meaning.
Receiving information. 1. Flag observation. Receiver watches the hosted flag. 2. Letter identification. Identify the letter based on flag design. 3. Codebook reference. Consult the ICS codebook for the message meaning. Example of signaling. Signal. Flag representing the letter B. Second, meaning I am taking on or discharging dangerous goods. Action. Receiver checks the ICS codebook for confirmation. Conclusion. Key takeaways. Visual signaling is essential for maritime safety. Understanding the ICS enhances communication effectiveness.